What up, guys? My name is Billy. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any future videos. Post videos every week, tutorials, reviews, speed drawings, all of it. You can always follow me on Instagram. But boy, do I got a special one for you today. Today we're looking at the Rocket Book. Boom. This is an endlessly reusable notebook. You heard that right. You did. You can send handwritten notes, draw pictures, send them to your favorite cloud service, and apparently after you get done you wipe the page clean with a damp towel. This was gifted to me by someone very dear to me, so thank you so much again. You know who you are. Well, let's go ahead and break it open. Ooh, and they even knew what my favorite color was. That's a nice color. So here we go. Here it is. Comes with a little towel to wipe down the page after you get done with it. Okay. It smells like a library. So this is probably the most environmentally friendly notebook that I've ever seen. And yeah, this is a great idea. I never heard of this. Why have I never heard of this? Like, I'm the kind of person, even though I'm a great typist and I can type really fast, I prefer the pen to paper feel, especially when I'm taking notes or doodling or anything like that. But this is a really, really cool invention, man. So opening this bad boy up, right here, immediately on the left, looks like we have a bunch of symbols so that you can actually, label where you want to transfer the file to, I imagine. But that's pretty cool. Pretty neat. And then here you just have the page. And I gotta say, that's quite glossy. Jeez. That's buttery. There's no lines on it. And it's not completely blank. There's like dots all over it. Like semi-translucent dots. Well, not translucent. They're like little gray dots. But I love the simplicity of this so far. It doesn't seem like there's a lot to it. Let's get that top-down action. Alright, so now that you got a better view, again, this whole notebook feels really high quality actually. It feels really nice. I feel like I could tear these pages though if I'm not careful, so gotta be careful. But there's there's a bunch of pages. And if you can see these little symbols down here, from what I understand, you can put an X over whichever symbol you want your files to transfer to, I'm pretty sure. So that's pretty cool. So basically all you're gonna do is you're gonna put your notes, you're gonna draw whatever, whatever you want to put in here, and then you're gonna scan this little barcode thing right here. And I do still need to download the app so that I can go ahead and get that functionality working. But it does come with its own nifty pen. Look at this thing. This is nice. So that is one little caveat to this, is that you can't actually only use this pen with the notebook, and it comes with its own eraser, so you can erase with it. But I believe on their website or even Amazon you can find different colors and also like highlighters and things like that. So there are other tools that you can get. This one is just the standard black one. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some of the colored pens so that I can, make some colorful stuff. But this is pretty neat. Let's go ahead and draw something and see how it feels. That feels super buttery. Like not your traditional pen on paper feel, like there's no roughness to it, if that makes any sense. It just glides, baby. It just glides. And again, it has its own eraser that comes with it. So this is an erasable pen. Let's see how that works. Oh wow, that comes right off. That's neat. Now the main way to get rid of the ink is to take this cloth here, dampen it, and then just wipe it away. But typically, how with like a pencil, if you go really dark and you try to erase it, you're gonna have some kind of like residual graphite or whatever. This is damn near picking it all up. There is a little bit of line indentation, not indentation, but I can still see where I drew. But I'm sure after I wipe it off with the water, with the damp towel, it'll be gone like magic. Don't judge, please. I'm actually gonna try to draw something with this, nothing crazy, just to see, you know, how it feels to actually draw like a character or anything else. I'm gonna try to upload it to my phone or to my computer. I think it's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna say right now, before I even get to the end of the video, this thing gets 4 stars for me. This is an extremely environmentally friendly notebook, and I definitely recommend this to anybody who's more old-fashioned, who would rather, you know, write down their notes. If you're someone who's in school, or perhaps you are an architect and you need to, you know, work on drawing lines and vertices and all that crazy mess that I know nothing about, this would be a really good handy tool, because you could do your business, draw your notes, draw your blueprints, whatever it is, and then pretty much just upload it to your computer or your phone, and then, you know, erase it. You could literally have this thing until you die. It's such a neat, innovative tool. I cannot believe I've never heard of this. All right, so let's download the app and let's get that going. All right, cool. So here's the main interface of the app. Basically, once you get into it, which is really, really easy to sign up, literally 3 questions: username, email, password. But you'll see it has all of these little icons here. Right now, all of them are set to default my email. I don't have any other places that I need these sent besides my email. But if you do click on one of these here, like the diamond, and you can do change destination, and you can pick from any of these cloud-based services. So I have my messages there. I use Slack, but only for work. Don't have Dropbox, so pretty much I'm good to go with what I have currently saved, just my email. But I am going to go ahead now and hit new scan. Of course, you want access to my camera. Who doesn't? Okay, well, he doesn't get arms or legs, whatever. I just want to show you guys the functionality of this. Alright, so now that it's fully scanned, I can click on it. And there it is. It's on my phone. Look at that. That's so cool. So let's draw something real quick and then save it to our phone. This is going to be cool. Oh, by the way, and before we do that, let's go ahead and dampen this towel up and see how well this works. Okay, so obviously nothing when it's dry. So I've got the towel a little damp. Let's go ahead and try to get it off. Oh my goodness! Like nothing, dude. Literally, like it comes off with ease. I wouldn't even really want to use this eraser unless I was trying to make small incremental changes. Alright, don't judge. There is my cross-hatched Squidward there. So now I'm going to go ahead back into the app and I'm going to upload it to my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that SpongeBob from earlier. Basically, we're going to go ahead and scan it. And again, I can send that to my email. I can send that via Messenger or any other cloud-based service that you would use. But overall, a really crafty tool. I would say 10 out of 10 for taking notes, and getting that real pen to paper feel that you want, that you're, maybe used to. Maybe you're not all about typing on your phone, or maybe you don't know, you don't like to type. You're more old-fashioned, and you would prefer just to, write out your notes, or write out a concept, or a creative writing, whatever it is. This is really, really good, and again, environmentally friendly. So would recommend it just based off that fact alone. The ink that comes out of this pen is like a hybrid between like a ballpoint pen and I would say like a Sharpie. So if you if you scribble something down and then you can smear it. So it's really important when you're drawing with this to not rest your hand on the page, or maybe like put another sheet of paper underneath your hand so you don't smudge it. I was having a little bit of an issue with that, but This would be really good for like concepts, like if I am going to paint something on a canvas, or maybe I'm making like an alcohol marker project on a bigger sheet of paper. This would be a really good tool to, you know, do like a concept sketch of what, you know, of a condensed idea of what I'm trying to achieve. So I would say 8 out of 10 for artists, just because I don't have the colors, but they do sell different colors of the pen. Now it would look really awesome to actually have, you know, all the colors and then be able to digitally upload it to my phone and save that. So again, thank you so much to the person who got this for me. I really appreciate it. This is an amazing gift, and I'm definitely going to be using this in the future. If you have any questions, go ahead and throw them down in the comments. Please subscribe to my videos for more. But again, this is the Rocketbook, guys. Really awesome, durable, feels just like any other notebook, literally, and it's really small and compact, and it comes with this nifty little pen. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys like the Rocketbook. I think it's dope. Go ahead and pick you one up today. It'll make your life a lot easier. But thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace.